my name is Ashley, and today I'll be showing you a stretch routine that will help you get your middle splits. So let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, add this video to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Let's get started on today's stretch routine for the middle splits. I'm just gonna start crisscross applesauce and gently reach forward. Make sure that your arms are as straight as possible, and you should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your legs. And walk it back up. Let's make that stretch a little more intense by aligning or almost aligning knee over knee, kind of like this. Right now I have my right over my left. Gently walk your hands forward again. You should definitely feel it in this position. Make sure to breathe in and out. A little further. And gently roll up. Switch legs. Try to align almost knee to knee if you can, and gently walk your hands forward. You should definitely be feeling a stretch in the back of your legs. And go a little further. Keep breathing. And come up. All right, let's go into butterfly position, soles of the feet together. I like to put my hands around my ankles, and let's just flutter the knees. Like a butterfly, flutter, flutter. All right, I'm gonna put my right hand by my side, and I'm going to press one of my knees down with the opposite arm. Stretching out those hips. And second side. And gently press. Don't press too crazy hard, just a nice gentle stretch to open up those hips to begin. All right, hands back to the ankles. I'm gonna lead with my belly button and then my stomach and roll over. Roll it up. I'm gonna continue this motion of belly button, chest, head down, and roll it up. And repeat. Belly button, chest, head, roll it up. Last time, belly button, chest, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Try to get your head to touch the soles of your feet. And exhale to come up. Nice, you guys. I'm gonna put my left knee in, right leg out, arms in second, and gently reach it over. Make sure both of your sit bones are still on the ground. I like to lift my head up towards the ceiling to make sure that my chest isn't collapsing here. I like to look up. Open that arm, turn and face your leg, and walk your hands all the way towards your toes. Hold it here. Now let's walk our hands all the way to the center, keeping those sit bones on the ground. Nice, you guys. Walk it back to center and trade legs. Repeat again. Arms in second, gently reach over. I'm gonna reach my head to the sky. Make sure you're not collapsing over like this. Keep that chest open. You should feel a stretch on your side. Reach it up. Turn your body to face your leg and walk your hands forward. Nice, you guys. Try to touch that toe. Keep both sit bones on the ground. Gently walk it to the center and stretch. Breathing in and out. And walk it in. Before we open both knees, I'm gonna go ahead and come up into the center. Move your knees out as far as they can go on either side and gently put your elbows down. We're gonna hold here. You can definitely rock a little bit back and forward just to warm up those hips, but I do like to rest in this position. I like to call it the frog for a good minute or so, just to make sure that my hips are fully opened up beyond just the butterfly we did earlier. This frog position definitely does the trick because gravity helps pull us down and it stretches out those inner thighs really nicely. So let's just breathe it here. This is a great stretch you can do even when you're watching the TV, even while you're texting. This is a perfect stretch you could do on the go. Okay, maybe not on the go, but while you're multitasking. So just hold it here and keep breathing. If you like, you can definitely reach your arms out. I just like to keep them up here. To intensify this stretch a little further, I'm going to come up on my hands and extend one leg out and slowly slide it down. And come back on those elbows. And breathe. Nice, you guys. All right, trading legs. Bring the knee in gently. And other leg out. And slide it out and hold. Breathing in and out. Don't think about it, just breathe. And gently come up. All right, you guys. I'm gonna come onto my knees so that I can pop up to a second position and gently just start by bending one knee to a side lunge and the other. Each side, get a little further down as you go. Just a nice rocking side to side motion, getting further and further with each go. One more time, side and side. We're gonna hold it on this side and hold. And let's go to the second side and hold. Come back up, and we're gonna do just a nice little hamstring stretch. I'm gonna hold my ankles and pull my head in between my legs. I find that stretching out my hamstrings definitely helps me with my middle splits as well. Let's bring both feet parallel to one side, and I'm gonna bend the back knee and flex the front leg. Back to center and bend and flex. Back to center. Last time, bend and flex. Really getting that head to the knee. Nice, you guys. Let's go to the second side. And I'm gonna bend the back knee and flex the front. And straighten. Bend and flex. And straighten. Bend and flex. And straighten. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead, come back down. Last thing we're gonna do before stretching in our second is come on our back like this, and I'm going to lift my legs and gently bring them open. I'm gonna put my hands on the inside of my knees and just gently press down. You can flex and point your toes and just let gravity do the trick. Just like that frog position, this is a great position you can just hold and stretch. You could be on your phone, you could be talking to a friend, watching the TV, but this is a great stretch for the middle splits. If you like, you can bend both knees and straighten. Bend both knees and straighten. Apply a little bit of pressure with your hands, just opening up those hips. I like to do a light little bounce, but you really don't want to do too much. This one I like to hold a little bit longer because gravity is the main culprit here that helps out with this stretch. So give it a little bit longer in this position. Sometimes I like to lay in this position for a whole entire song, or while I'm watching TV, it kind of helps me not think about the stretch, and I just let it rest here. And you'd be surprised, after listening to a couple songs, watching some TV, your legs will eventually go farther and farther down. Nice, you guys. One more deep breath. If you do hold this pose for a good long while, be careful when you come out of it because your legs are not going to want to move. So grab them on the opposite side as you had them, bend those knees, and help yourself bring your knees together. Nice, you guys. Let's start by doing those middle split stretches. All right, both legs out. Let's get into it, you guys. Come into a nice wide second, and let's just take it easy, stretching each side. Come to a second and reach over one side, looking at the sky, and come up, face the leg, and come down. Breathing in and out. And come up. Nice, you guys. Other side. Looking at the sky, keep breathing. And come up. And face the leg, gently come down. And back up. Let's repeat that one more time, except this time we're gonna walk our way through the center. Up, face the leg, now gently walk your hands through the center and up. Other side. And up. Face the leg. Come down. And gently walk it through the center. And up. All right, take your hands and bring yourself a little bit further into that split. We're going to do just an around the world and up a couple times to stretch that middle split. All right, let's come over and flat to walk it through that center. and reverse it. And over, face the leg, and walk it through the center. And up. Let's do that one more time. And over, face the leg, walk it through the center. And up, reverse, over, and face it, and walk it through the center. And up. Last but not least, you guys, we're gonna just fold over gently. I like to do the same technique, going belly button, chest, and head. Slowly walk it forward. And let's hold it here. Breathing in and out, go further. And slowly bring yourself up. Shake it out, easy. And back in. And those are some stretches you could do every single day to help you get that middle split. So do them every single day. Thank you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like the outfit I wore in today's video, check out the shelf below to purchase one for yourself. And make sure to check out the rest of the videos in my series. Bye!
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.